We've been lucky on this trip to have some very good cooks. Everybody in the Philippines seems to be a wonderful cook, and I don't know where they learned this, but today you can see we're chopping up banana leaves, using them as plates. The bananas grow virtually everywhere. I don't know what they've made for us today. Oh, Betty's... Okay, that's Betty's plate. Okay, Charlie's got some very nice prepared lunch. We're here on the trail. I don't know how they do this. Let's see, I'm making some movies. Okay, some nice stew, huge quantity of rice, all made in place. Hope it's okay I make a movie.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. I vote yeah.
Alright, oh, you're taking a picture of me taking a picture. Okay.
Yes.
It's the way we've been doing it virtually every day that we're on the trail. Somebody just volunteers to make it and it magically appears. I don't know how that happens, and it's something we never see in the States, but it's the way things are done here. So it's been a real trip of discovery for us.